Hey guys, the 7-8er here, and today we're going to be continuing my Survivalcraft Let's Play on an Island Survival, and this is episode 2. You can check out episode 1. I uploaded earlier. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this, but yeah, this is episode 2 and of my Island Survival, season 2. I've already explained the reason why my season 1 stopped coming out in episode 1 of season 2, so you can go and check that out. I'll leave a time link or something to that video. So that's that. Let's load in here and let's get to work. So basically we left off sleeping. We have the flu, and I think I remember. Actually, we didn't have the flu when we left when I ended the video. We got it back. Wow, that's fantastic. That's a great way to start off. Okay. Now what? Now all the wolves are gone. Fantastic. This is so hard. Where are they going? Honestly, where are they going? Why is he... Honestly, why is he swimming? Don't dare you tell me that they all swam away. That's just... We had bears and reindeer and wolves and everything else. Wow, that's really sad. Let's see here. We need to smelt. Let's actually smelt 10 of this copper because I need some, and so that we can get some copper tools, so things are a bit faster. I need to get up there to get some trees for some things I need to do. We need to expand this house. That's one thing. Because this is not cutting it. Yep. Wow. That was just lovely. I take damage because of the flu. I'm gonna fall off. Wow. Oh wow, and a stone axe is so much faster. Okay, let's get up here. This is so frustrating. I'm probably gonna walk off here in just a second. Watch me. Yeah, I'm gonna probably walk off. Yes, I was correct. You need more coal. I need a coal block so I can create a fire. How much trees did I get? Wow, I just wasted my stuff. My wood. For now, let's create a campfire. And then... But, oh yeah, I don't have... Yeah, that makes sense. I don't have matches to light it, so... Okay. Okay. There we go. Let's see if we can go to sleep and get rid of this flu, because that's gonna kill me. Because I can't really get hardly anything done with it. So let's see if we can get rid of it. And as we wait, we still have it. Fantastic. This is so frustrating. Let's see if we can get back up here. Actually, let's just build the house up there. Come on. Move. How do I get up? How should I do this? Let's see here. Let's get these planks. I need some stairs. Let's create some stairs. 6 stairs. That should be plenty for what I'm doing. Get to warmth. I know I have the flu. What does it look like? Really? Come on. I know I have the flu. I know I'm going to die, and it's really hard to do everything. You don't have to warn me, because I already know. So hurt. Let's see here. Let's actually get rid of this. Don't you dare burn my copper. And don't you dare set me on fire. Wow. I know I'm starving. What does it look like here? Like, really? I got 7 copper. But I can't exactly do a whole lot. Ugh. Don't you dare burn down my house. Says me while my house is burning down. Go figure, you know. To me, that's what would happen. Let's actually... I'd like to have windows up here. That block was conveniently placed. So... Wow, what is above me? Let's get rid of these leaves slowly, and then let's build up and create my house. How do you sneak? I completely forgot how to sneak in Survivalcraft. Wow, I'm such a pleb. Let's actually get some of this. And wait while I fall off and lose 2 hearts. Go figure. There's bears, but there's not any really food. I'm gonna die building my new house, most likely. And it's gonna be hilarious at first, and then I'm gonna cry. Oh my. Come on. Need to build my house. No, I'm freezing. Need more space. Oh. Let's actually do this, and I need... Let's create some more planks. And do this. Need windows. Real quick. Wow. Just one. Go figure. Oh, stop. Where's the nearest piece of wood? Okay, got it. Let's put this and make some planks. And there we go. Now we just need some sand. Let's go to this sand thing and get like a ton of sand. This is gonna take a while, so grab some popcorn and wait while I try and get some sand. And there we go. Getting some sand. I think this is the last thing I'm going to do. After I try and smelt it, if I don't die, I'll try and get some sand and do that. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. How much sand do I have? I have 10 sand. Definitely not enough. Let's keep going. Come on. 13, 14, 15. That sounds like something else. There's a moose. Ooh, meat. Let's see if there's... Come on. I'm going to get meat. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get it before that bear gets it. Yes! I know he's mad. Come on! Come on! I'm trying... I'm going to freeze to death. Most likely. I'm gonna have to kill you, poor moose. Why? Why? I'm gonna have to kill you for meat. No. No. Why? Oh, forget it. It's too hard. Let's go. Back to the house slowly. Slower than ever before. How much sand do I have? I need more sand. I need more sand. It'd make sense to use a shovel. Yep. And try not to die with the flu. Yeah, that would be awesome. So, yeah. That's that. I'd say 21 sand's good. Let's go before I freeze to death. Come on, come on, come on. I'm going to die. Come on, come on, come on. Walk faster. I'm almost there. No, no. Come on. Faster. I can't even see my door. I can't even see anything. Where's my furnace? I actually can't see anything. Oh, I don't have any... How many sticks does... Oh, and I've wasted them. Wow, I'm such an idiot. I'm slowly starting to thaw. Wow. Okay, let's see if I can get to my crafting table, create some sticks, and create a campfire. Go. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Oh, so... I think I'm gonna just leave it right there. So, basically, that's that. Let's use this. Actually, just use these leaves, because I won't use these. And create some glass. So, I guess that's it for this episode. For my Survivalcraft Let's Play Island Survival, Season 2, Episode 2. Be sure to like, comment, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more, if I can talk. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!